Hi Core 3, it's Mrs. Han-Baral. Hope you're doing well. So today I'm giving you another practice worksheet on expressions. I'm just going to go through one of the problems that I think you might have questions about, but definitely let me know if there are other ones that you want my help with, and I'll do the best that I can. But I think that this one is pretty straightforward. So of course expressions are not equations, so they can't be solved, but if they give you a value for the variable, you can plug it in and evaluate it. And of course you can simplify it. So number 2 on the worksheet talks about the lengths and widths of rectangles, and they want you to find an expression for the area and one for the perimeter. So if you look at 2A, they give you that the length is 12x minus 7, and the width is 5. And you have to find an expression for the perimeter and for the area. So what I would do is I would actually just do a little quick sketch and label it. So the length is 12x minus 7 and the width is 5. So for the area of a rectangle, you of course just multiply the length times the width. So here, the area would be 5 times the quantity, 12x minus 7. And, just be sure that, you're including the 12x minus 7 in the parentheses. And then, of course, I can simplify this expression. So I can use the distributive property, right? Multiply 5. So 5 times 12x would give me 60x. And then 5 times negative 7 would give me negative 35. And I can stop right here. For the perimeter of a rectangle, of course, I have to add up the sum of all the sides. So if this is 12x minus 7, this of course is also 12x minus 7. If this is 5, the opposite side is also 5. So, I could just add them all up. So I could do, 5 plus 5 plus 12x minus 7 plus 12x minus 7. I mean, that's totally fine. And then I can combine my like terms, right? So I have 5, positive 5, I have negative 7 and negative 7. So 5 plus 5 is 10, minus 7 is 3, minus 7 is going to give me negative 4. And then I have 12x and 12x. So that would give me 24x. So it would be 24x minus 4. The other way that I just want to quickly point out that you could do it is, you know that the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 lengths plus 2 widths. So I could have also done 5 times 2 plus 2 times the quantity, 12x minus 7. And then 5 times 2 is 10. And then I could distribute this 2 and get 2 times 12x, which is 24x, 2 times negative 7, which is negative 14. And then I would have 24x, and then 10 minus 14 is minus 4. So you see that I got the same answer. It doesn't really matter which way you do it. I mean, I tend to think the second way might be a little bit more efficient, but that's totally your call, because either way you get the same expression for the perimeter. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. Also, Fernando, does it sound better now? I'm a little bit away from the fish tank. Bye.